Now he's on the rules of engagement. He still makes me laugh on that show, too.
All right, do you have the keys to the sanctuary?
I don't have, yes I do. I have keys. I get to go out of this room? Yay! Oh, this is what the outside looks like. Okay. Whew, boy, it's hot. Hey, cutie, where are you going? I'm coming. You got the pandas? What are you doing? You don't tell me to shut up again? I don't like when you tell me to shut up. It's hot out here. It's like we're in a desert or something. What? Oh, it is a desert. I did not know that. Here, hit me with that water. I'm hot. It's hot out here. When you live inside, it stays cool. Get me in the shade. Oh, shade. Oh. Oh, it's dark in here. It's like living in my box. Oh, no. Oh, look, a panda. I shall talk to him. Hi. What's your name? You're shy? You don't like to talk?